Let me tell you something uncomfortable. If you only feel motivated when videos hype you up, you're already losing. Motivation doesn't disappear because you're weak. It disappears because your life has no structure. Stay with me till the end, because once you understand why motivation keeps dying, you'll stop chasing it and start controlling your life instead. This video is not here to make you feel good. It's here to make you unstoppable. Most people wait to feel motivated before they act. That's why their lives stay the same. Motivation is emotional. Emotion is unstable. And unstable things cannot build stable lives. You don't wake up tired because you lack motivation. You wake up tired because you go to sleep without direction. Think about it. When you don't know exactly what you're building, every action feels heavy. When your goals are vague, effort feels pointless. So your mind shuts down to protect itself. That's where procrastination comes from. Not laziness, confusion. Here's the truth nobody teaches you early enough. Motivation is not the engine. It's the result. People you admire don't wake up inspired. They wake up committed. They don't ask, "Do I feel like it today?" They ask, "What must be done, no matter how I feel?" That question changes everything. If you watched my last video, you already understand this. Being stuck is not about effort, it's about alignment. This video goes deeper. Motivation fades when your actions don't match your identity. You say you want more money, but you tolerate distractions. You say you want confidence, but you avoid discomfort. You say you want growth, but you repeat the same habits. Your mind sees the contradiction, and motivation shuts off. Not to punish you, but to force honesty. Real motivation appears when your life becomes predictable. Same wake-up time, same work blocks, same non-negotiables. Freedom comes from structure, not chaos. This is why people who wait for motivation stay broke, unhealthy, and inconsistent. They live emotionally. Winners live systematically. And listen carefully. You don't need more motivation content. You need fewer decisions. The fewer choices you make daily, the more energy you keep. That's why discipline looks boring from the outside, but feels powerful on the inside. When your actions are automated, confidence grows quietly. You stop negotiating with yourself. You stop starting over. You stop feeling guilty. And here's where most people miss it. Motivation spikes when progress is visible. Progress becomes visible only when systems exist. That's why I only recommend tools that reduce friction, save mental energy, and support consistency. Not hype, not shortcuts. Use them only if you're serious about building a life that doesn't rely on mood. If you're still watching, you already feel it. You don't need another motivational quote. You need alignment between who you say you are and what you do daily. Motivation will follow. Check the pinned comment or link in description for those who want to go deeper. Subscribe to this Rise channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. See you in the next video.